If you're using email marketing, your email deliverability may be in jeopardy. New policies are taking place on February 1st, 2024. Google and Yahoo recently announced they're implementing new requirements for all email senders. This is to improve email deliverability and prevent spam. In this video, I want to share 3 steps you must take immediately to avoid your emails going to spam folders if you're sending email using an autoresponder like Aweber, GetResponse, or others. Hi, I'm Joe Barclay. I've been marketing online almost since the beginning of the internet. Email marketing is my favorite marketing strategy. And before we get going, I want to ask you to do me a big favor. If you're new to my YouTube channel, please be sure to click the subscribe button right now and hit the notification bell too, because I post multiple new videos every week and you'll want to be sure you get the information. Also, I hope you will support my YouTube channel and give this video a thumbs up. Hit the like button also to let YouTube know this is the kind of content you like. And then lastly, in the comments below, let me know how you got value out of this video. So first, what is email deliverability and why does it matter? Well, this is the percentage of your emails that get delivered into your subscriber's inbox. If your emails don't make your subscriber's inbox, nothing else matters. Emails that end up in spam folders are of zero value and actually hurt future email performance too. The latest figure I saw said that 49% of all email is spam. It's an aggravation for almost all of us. Spam wastes a lot of time and ties up resources. Moreover, spam gives email marketing a bad name. And this is a major frustration to me as a professional online marketer. I have an entire playlist on how to master email marketing. I'll put a link to it up here so you can check it out. Spam causes people to distrust email marketing in general. This leads to lower open rates and lower click-through rates. And that's for even the legitimate e-marketers. Here's the thing. Spam is just bad for business in general. I'm all for any changes to help eliminate it. So here are 3 things you must do to avoid your emails going to spam on February 1st. And all of this can be done in about 30 minutes. I encourage you to do it now. Many e-marketers will be asleep at the wheel on this. Starting February 1st, their emails will start going to spam, their marketing results will fall off dramatically, and they won't even know what hit them. But the good news is that attentive marketers like you and me will really clean up on this. This is a major event. First, stop sending email using a Yahoo or Gmail email address. Go out and purchase a domain name to use. The name you choose for the domain name can be almost anything, but use this as an opportunity to brand and promote you. Try to get one with your name if it's available. Domain names are cheap. Check out GoDaddy or Namecheap. It will only cost you a few bucks a year. Then set up an email address with that domain. Keep it simple, keep it businesslike. If your domain was johndoe.com, set up john@johndoe.com for the email address. After setting up your email address, there are 2 more steps you must complete. Most autoresponders have detailed videos on how to do this, so I won't show it here. Even if you're new to setting up an email address the right way, it's simple and straightforward. Next, set up what is called DKIM. This is an email authentication process. It lets the email recipient know the email did in fact come from your domain. This is to catch forged sender addresses like the spammers use. If you do not set up DKIM properly, your emails will be marked as spam or even blocked. When these new policies kick in, you've got to have that in place. Lastly, you need to set up DMARC. This also helps prevent spoofing and phishing and keeps your email messages from getting into spam folders too. Like I said, you can do all this in about half an hour. I hope this helps you ensure your email deliverability. Feel free to reach out to me with questions at any time. I always enjoy sharing ideas with other marketers. You can find this and many more marketing tips at my blog at joebarclay.com. And while you're there, be sure to pick up a copy of my free ebook, The Affiliate Marketing Success Blueprint. It will show you how to cut years off the learning curve and take the fast track to success by copying what works. Also on my blog, you can check out my resources page where I share the exact tools I use to create a full-time income with online marketing. Again, that's joebarclay.com. Go ahead and check it out. We'll talk soon.